So today's discussion is something that people have brought up to me on social media or sent me emails during this time of COVID-19. And it's about vision boards and what good is a vision board, or what good are vision boards during this crisis? Like, how could this happen? Well, that's really not what a vision board is about. So I wanted to go, first of all, take a step back and talk about what exactly a vision board is, why you should do one, why now is the best time ever to do a vision board, and what it can do for you going forward. So first of all, a vision board is not about pretty pictures and words on a board, although that might be what it looks like to others. What a vision board really is certainly it's about those things in your life that you would like to have. So you would like to have, maybe you want a new car or a new home, or you want to build a business, or you want to find the love of your life, or you want a better relationship. Certainly that's what a vision board might look like. But underneath all of those pictures and words is a story about who you need to become in order to attract those things that you want. So when people kind of think that vision boards, that now is not the time, or that they don't make any sense, or they don't work, then you're just not looking at it right, because vision boards are pretty deep if you really want stuff to change, right? Because we can all go through magazines. We can all go through magazines and cut out all day long the words and pictures that are pretty, or that are, that are attractive to us. You might take a picture of a beautiful beach and dream about living on the Caribbean. Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you think. But you're not going to get there being the person that you are right now. Do you see what I mean? I needed to become a different person. I needed to do something different. I needed to think differently. I needed to be differently in order to live the expat life that I had dreamed about for years. So it wasn't until I began to change that I began to see possibilities, that I began to lay the foundation and take those small steps to get to that place that I am now. So now that you know what a vision board is and is not, let me give you the 5 reasons why now is the best time to do a vision board. Reason number 1, you've got the time. Now that most people are off or out of work or working from home, what better time than now than to create a vision board and lay that foundation for what's to come? Reason number 2, in order to get something different, you've got to do something different. Now is the best time to practice doing, being, acting in a different way. Reason number 3, now is a great time to do this collectively as a family unit. Certainly creating vision boards individually, but then doing one as a family. You can also do vision boards with your team if you are a manager in a business or an entrepreneur. Reason number 4, and why now is the best time to create a vision board, and that is because a vision board lays the foundation. You kind of build in not only who you need to become in order to get to those dreams and goals and aspirations, but it lays the foundation by creating or building in those small steps that you can take to get to that end goal. Reason number 5 and why now is the best time to create a vision board. And that is, it gives you an opportunity to partner, to slow down and partner with your subconscious. If your subconscious really doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined, listen, this is true. I'm not making this stuff up. I'm just the messenger. If your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined, then why not plant those seeds now of how you want things to unfold going forward? Even going through this crisis that we're going through right now is, how can you perceive this differently? How can you look at this through a different lens? How can you be a different person through this challenging period? So now that you know the 5 reasons of why now is the best time to do a vision board, let's do that. Let's create a vision board together. Normally my vision board workshops are $99, but for right now, I'm going to do an online workshop in 5 different sessions. And listen, this isn't for the faint of heart. I am not about cutting out pretty pictures and pasting them up on a board. That is not where I'm going with this. This is about how you need to be different in order to get to those dreams and goals, and this is work. So my hope is that you're ready to start taking a look at doing and being and having something different, a new way of being. And if that's true for you, I look forward to seeing you on this chat. Now, as all online programs, the seats are limited, so I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Make sure you click on the link below, send in your email address so that I can send you the link to the upcoming webinar. This is my way of giving back to the people that have supported me throughout the years, and my way of helping the world kind of bounce back from the situation that we're in right now. So I look forward to seeing you on the call. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to send in your email and share this with somebody that you love. I look forward to seeing you then. Ciao for now.